to the play button for YouTube. Now we're on phase 2 of them molding. We were going to color them red now, but we've been staying away for about an hour and 30 minutes. It's 1:13. Me and him have just been English. Me and him have just been waiting by watching The Walking Dead, and right now it's adding the redness to it. How are we gonna get the sides though?
We can get the sides later.
Well,
We can get the sides once we take it out. I can grind it down a little bit, and then we'll grab the sides up, make them red. It's the beauty thing about color hardening. It's like concrete all by itself.
oh, okay. So you're gonna throw it on my feet. Phase 2. Epic. Is it supposed to like all ball up like that?
No. But I'm gonna smooth it out as soon
as it dries out.
No, as soon as I get enough color on there.
Oh.
It's where I'm satisfied with it. Sure you're gonna be able to make it for school tomorrow?
Wait, what?
You gonna be okay at school tomorrow?
I hope I don't fall asleep.
Okay, I hope you're not grouchy.
I'm not either. You can get some of that hole, it really doesn't matter. So you can start sprinkling around that. You gotta make sure you get every bit. Make sure it's perfect. So isn't concrete like grayish?
Yep.
Yeah, but so that means in the middle, that means, oh, you see how it's crumbling? Is it supposed to crumble like that?
It's okay. It'll push in. It hurt. Remember, the concrete's going to expand, so it's going to push it back in like that. And then even still, Daddy's got a grinder downstairs, so we can just grind it right out.
Yeah, look, but it shaped it to like a certain angle.
And this is what we got.
Look, but it just shaped it to a certain angle. You see that?
Yeah. It's all good.
Oh, wait. This one's shaped to a different angle.
No, it's all good. It's all good. Were you talking about the triangle?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good. We can still shape it when we take this out. Once we take this out, we can still shape it to be perfect, just like how we want it.
How?
You get a grinding tool.